la champion yanga pam ta yu commencement mi ne ronra jole bra non so pele pam zongomi honorable fancy gada alu krismatu
alaji
star boy
alaji bado ko gene she swag mi
alaji
chen yila ma
thank you so much alaji
so da yela mne yila bana me anda bata talma chen so na mi shel den yela she yila ma ta kuyina
lanya
da lirdin le chaka tele chen you could just say like maybe love ben shaka man even love ben shaka
okay so ayule mostly ne umborla ni yihila na kanjiru ya de bofiala ka shawe de fiala agwa ho ngba check le pa
okay
kama na yihila na ma obe ngumle okwe ni chenche ne benye chenche ne wala na ma chele pa agwa ho de bofiala pa you go na ni chenche ma so chat ya nyabuko yen yele ka ni chenche ma so yila ma na drop it ka na pa understanding be sharam bi ragban ka na mbole chenche ma so chenche ma simple means kama artificial
okay
kama ofon ma China
so
fake
okay
so ande yel fake love ka so kan put me idea ma yila mani
agba me ba na fake so kan bi understand ba shana yarma amma su kan bole chen di en chikar mal bas kan yiru to boara ba yi chen matun kum da chen de gbenne so shatle sa
okay
de ba par mi en chika yila ma attention yeah
bevela tira tunda je la sik matira shele kada bon concept man je ma telka ayela yila ma mi payina niro nyela ni ban borre to apanka quality ma to be video man ta ba bon ban rese standard chama le ma video sha ko le kana impetant zo da selon ta te jima kunyela nos en topic de ba shele songma an pa ma Mr Nash am pilge jima tete so le bien ni ban punya artist karangoma ni zabe hwa ba yam pilge yila kamine fanse gadam na ko tamdo automatically bangan yele project shanga na pumpa ka songma ne yihirle jwalde na da ya make la hit do mene do nyela kan ba panye big star do mene big star nam kama fansi gadam na
collaboration
an pa ma swel bien la tun da yo be fansi gadam tap song ka chen na ma chan veje la ngatila underground artist ma
so maybe you know to kuna bono fansi gadam really because the mono be show also and we can play boy nam for bangumda anle you know tunda punye last week man yila the yellow business and yellow
okay
so billing yellow and that will come here nang shila amale arzichi simisin to bon resources anasani yabo la arzichi ma be la resources ma dentonye in the form of lapchelaga agbaya
okay
be dentonye in the form of milensi agbaya be dentonye in the form of amban puntuntuma agbaya ulaka bonu agba records shell ampumale tun shell antumane so based on a previous work the one put attention to somebody and most often than not unlike growing artists be up and coming artists but to find it very difficult to collaborate with established artists because one unlike bampuna establish a be A-list artist ma time comes up when very very busy agbayabo so po counting che tun shell ontumda can connect growing artist attention is very difficult. So most often than not, people think that they are very snobbish. Become a back and everything. People don't like back be jimankai. Kala me because I'm the level to level share. Kanyela abalan kasata mangba. Even a very close friends. Amamba nda yisna kabesham bebela nyara. Even to the extent that even alamba buktola nyara banda punyara sham.
Okay.
Even to some extent, but level share kayang zupa. Kanyela even a girlfriend, be even a wife, uncle no so amelia. In the bisham being that to nyata shambila to nyata because of
pressure
so I can't get recording and if you are can't get show and if you are can't get video so then ma za chem kala A-list artist ma ka share can very tight so this nyala up and coming artist there are so many ways by which you can do to get the attention of the A-list artist understandable and one it could be money ntunye lare understand because no matter how busy fancy gadam is. So you call okay, okay, I'm collaboration can burn $10,000. No matter how busy fancy gadam is, definitely when you schedule me, come meet la artist, understand
because there's money involved.
There's money involved. Understand because open busy kabla, la ro kun tako no busy man. So this is up and coming artist call okay, no bottom na collaboration. And I have $100,000 budget. Definitely be $10,000 budget. He will give him attention. Haibon couldn't very tight for that particular period. He will squeeze time and make time for that particular growing artist. That's one. Secondly, I like the growing artists. Kapone I'm an established artist in collaboration. Shaman non le sham. Onto bo la established artist on pumba yishele. Understand yabo. Ko kanatan on the cover. For instance, France Gadam Chen Chen. Underground artist on top Korea. Chen Chen ma. Who on your beats. Can no version of Chen Chen. Ngazan by internet so understand ya bro. Dino ko version ma kar Chan Venga. Internet na gorpam. Anto be tamal ko so ba shaka ba America within 1 hour ka nyala bana. So nto gongo ha nte pa France Gadam. Be kar go ha nte pa go management. Dino kala up and coming artist na o cover ma kar veto on to check o team ma ka bo shi ka umno ko non collaboration. Understand ya bro. So that is one aspect.
It's one man if Laren involved.
Laren involved.
Second one, a hard work. Either maybe I want to gadam on the cover.
Exactly, canon the gadam cover. Uncle Bahila, and within some, let's say 1 day or 2 days. Then the Kasokan up to Bahila, man. Can to you and take Bahila. Even to the extent that sometimes some to you and a couple to Baloma.
It's very possible.
Yeah, Capo Yila, Capo Yila, as the artist. But didn't Kafan from A to Z.
Seven Balama. Come on, Mama Saudi. This is change like I record. I
check with the thank you.
China, you like I know.
Check you are.
The China in the change.
Thank you. Do try to change it to me. Are you the original?
Yeah, I'm Sabra. You know, you're
Mama Saudi.
I'm Sabra. Aku karate non change and can't bala. I'm born of Jizavazama. That's what you're saying.
No, Sarmaya. Bank of sharing being zone, Casso comes on Carbi.
Okay.
About
sometimes concept ma kapun develop. Kazang licham.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So ndina yara. So ntonon kala artist ma one who used to lari. Secondly, ko kumbela A-list artist ko covers ha le ko tun your attention. That is one. Or thirdly, ntonon kala up and coming artist ma. Ko kono freestyles on bar social media. Understand yabo? Ono freestyles on Facebook and freestyles on YouTube. So to go na freestyle she kasokonza satele agbaya ka attention ma kono zo. So lala A-list artist man on to bushi because lala up and come number bars around him. For instance, somebody like Super. And they come a Super. So rayina mla udam Super.
Tupac.
Ado zone Iperlanda.
Understand under yina sasha man. You consider he was a sensation. To the extent that big artists like Sarkodie Kawasan in about that particular artist. So at that point, he's gathered some level of attention as an up-and-coming artist. So la A-list artist, man, because onyela bazma, and you know every artist wants to chop into la bazma.
That's all, everybody.
Understand? So this is la, ntonon ka A-list ma ko bolo, ko muno ka non collaboration. Understand? Because muno ka non yila. So it comes in so many ways and so many forms.
So then that check Shatta Bundle to your video no feature ma.
Exactly. Another classical example. Shatta Bundle.
You shall be a rapper the Puno.
Moment PY Puyo or AY Puyo. Yes, Lala Gaima, I'm a good, La Yilama. Example, here the bass, and that time I was not about Bora Bigila money. Karto fly very quickly. So he laid his hands on Shatta Bundle. All the way from Nigeria, P Square, Shatta Bundle, understand yabo. So it happens, and even from America, the likes of Justin Bieber, or Ako Yisem Kaboy Kamba Yilama Bangsam, but Kasonsam. Short covers bar internet short freestyles bar internet kasote discover kazon kanyo yela we Osha from there Osha then from there he became a very big artist up to now. So to get attention of A-list artists, become a record label, these are some of the things that you can do. Labam bebema can talk on her and then give that attention. If not, don't kunya la yimla kay non la yila so chinchina she ka fansa gadan fisma feature ka konya because we have thousands and ones of up and coming artists but be industry
like in so palgia pam but I yell me ka be yell one thing is am bo fansa gadam after one ansenage and to power inshallah so o yell shanga mazaha mala yila bangsam I have trust na kawana to yila example kantara ya man yara man ko to yila but like okumi na mala yila bangsam but this project man yala number data initially hit me tinyela artist na mpamka nyero yina later nta accuse bana nzangla concept match nto ko za saka ba feature later ka bala similar song o zula yila nyero pam complainer la dreams pam chi because support ma o mi no bale nyero be nya attention o kala following ma o mi de you no fancy gadam nyero tanwa following ma na tableau ka yila ma make a hit aba pam dreams pam chi a fancy gadam kan boara dreams pam chi a domine gadam za asim no be so antel ko yobin shabe ko bo men shabe la na
yeah so feel la question ma pam because I usually pam biane biringe te songsum
na blue even
ya songsum bana hit pam okay but there's one thing ka na shiga kan feel pam there's something trigger superstar ma ko to attention
okay
apart from the money apart from lot of kind too the two no nyaka de wula you are good
okay
man nyela artiste man feel ka do po kama inte yila pon she de la man na good kan no to ficho yuale
okay
amoji she ndé lor kamal lor ko ko no to convincement because they need extra work
okay
ama de lan goza na talent kamin ka do wula aku push biela o go bang se man yimna people will like it exactly so I'm careful ama dunya ka do wula de lan ma or pun ka talent o son ku bor yila be o ngela ka so gini hila kan ye superstar ka on go bor o gbele superstar de bel yamor la mboro jo mo perido my advice on upcoming artist man yam ka do wula nyama akumi yila asuna nyimna mi yila amini kulaji ala mi ya na ja so mborle to de tu na chika so yuru
aso yulu nyama
kare nyama ako jile nzo yila
okay
because yini yila ko change ko agba mo because attention shali yila ne bonni atelema de mo shuku to pi
okay
na la kama de wula apun changa shuku chang ton foi 4 ans start yila amara nyela ka do start them from a GSS level no to chang
okay
agba mo because asku chande sa yam pami ka studio gona chande sa ami sunu bor yila ma shama ay chusila yila ma la ay chusila studio ma chande ma more than education ma ten
yim ka exams time ka make sure your boss so
ka to ye ka show so make sure ka bora because you know to no show but because I'm born you know underground on area pam
okay
so be underground on area pam no on your attention so ku chance blood no toto attention be chaque comme ça can go ahead
okay
agba wo ko valum pikachu
okay
I mean no la matin akoto concentrative yanga so manguna bunya shadi en cheka ni so kama to fichi artist nyam ka do first of all she feel la yila ma
okay
man dey feel ni to fichi ayuale
out of busy schedules man to check out decide come on even though yila ma abjela but anan busy ma so ka chale she te bossa lab mal yila ma na te mata mbela just to give excuse ka on never go lab dela
shabiani tout moment beaucoup tunu break a passion for the work man like this man feel yila pound
okay
man ko twist ha man to ko twist do pude ka engineer wa to ko nyari yila no shaban ka record yila man ko feel she yo ma kan tri ka dram mir yila o ten kam nan to wumle kam do yila
okay
kana ki shami bu sen tema kan tema la mo feel so ko to piar ko because den tema la extra work kan yiri yani shami diane o kana o yila viela ko lento tema la kan je
den ka miri borwa
ma la ko borwa ayila viela mi kala mal la to
okay bro I understand in direction ma
first thing first dinan kanyala
talents bien
up and coming artists ka amayila ka boni a particular A-list artist ko feature the first thing you have to do is that you have to record the song down it could be a demo don't talk kunye kama demo understand yabo but to record yile ma down because mostly la A-list artist ma po ko ten feature yile wonder won beat ma gba ka won concept ma po can decide kama whether he has a time to do those kind of music agba yabo because the is about a interest as A-list artist but shakanye you know ya look at your interest first before any other person because anso ake yila ni ka ba chan agba yulen sami agba ya so don't ka beat ma ba viala kanya maybe concept ma viala me like fancy yelma kanya money is involved you could tell the artist that check out a channel different studio into different beats into the same concept ma it happens understand ya bo
ta clear example come on feature Sarkodie man there on Sarkodie young
okay
agba ya bo although Sarkodie gba punyela mbiyare
open the woman damle
ogula onyera me yar on internet kana shi meet ma in person anya bo so tun tena oyanga ko ya no the king agba o come on bro nye kini come on kana to stop
ko en bossa
ado bo no king bo king ta ba agba o ko po ye boss you be the boss o you my master I dey come greet you kata puta ba
okay
and then kan zan yi share ne bonni muro ma mira bonni ne concrete remix
okay
agba bo so ngumle ka ya ni ko kan fiela kan ya de views ma drop pa kama 100k 100,000 views on YouTube
okay
ko ni yila ma fiela na ma de punya attention so on feel kama de wula tren something new kan man de bo no so kama ngun san ko yunde ne ka de wula to beat ko non comfortable ko bole kewa in a kill beat
okay
mun bola two people ba to ko me beat nitin de ku yala ndir ma ka de wula muno yen nan o mele kar maki
okay
agba bo ka pa studio ka engineer ma tin me beat ma kama nan pa yilin chorus the first verse
yeah
in senato oh now you come o shi ko feel ka ndir fiara ba as to look at that you have a little bit you
shedan shakate you
ka
mami
yeah
shedan shele to akate you
no
Mr. Nash,
yeah,
mangle yara, ayazang ngwana masenwang difference na bien pa. De malaba ni ne yave yalanga zang pa yila mapulu. De ba bande ti yom taba be tan ngula.
Yila dabilum.
Yila dabilum de malaba ni ne ya na chan biela katana jwala ni ne semne nye shambala. Te borna te zu pawa.
Yeah.
Ka borna te gara zo. Donc kunye shalza hambala. An pa ma da bang ngwana ma yila ma na bishama. Te song matawa. Be ti yom taba de yen song ka ngwana ma zobe. De mele pe yel ma bang sama wa galsi apam.
Yeah.
Ba prenla ba kutonya fansi gadam ba kutonya ngom ko ka tap soma ba zangla la dream na ma baraka yila na ma yerna ban ka following ma kara channel waste.
Okay. So first of all yeah, truly do tuni anye banga ka yerna kay mindset punyela di pala feature la so ayulu kujina. The moment kamala mindset ma upon limit la talent ma understand yabo. So when you up and coming artists kabe samba na kawumti, they shouldn't have that preconceived notion that before ka William Blue na la fishy fancy gadam be na la fishy support there be na la fishy A-list artists. It is very wrong. Look, tunto kuta 1,001 of examples of artists kapuyina from nowhere. Kanya to kunyo mama single songs, kanya no featuring, ka Blue.
Okay.
From zero to hero, abayabo. So that is where I would think our up and coming artists we're looking at. Kama wula kay nang yina kayisha ni nyema kanyibo so gbale ka cheka you look kamza. One, you could be looking at for any other forms of support from fans gada, but not a featuring. Abayabo. Anto boso ya ka muno timiti kanyela entire advice because mpumbira industry na ka grow from the grasses to grace. So then you pile la selma anto bo. Oh, so fans wula ka rapi ngba bon kana advice ba kama hantama then ko yela okay. So nungu kanongo. He hasn't featured you in any way, but on entire advice selma. Be like kind of consultancy in time, it will help you to do a very good song. And announcer kala yilema karahiti understand yabo. So first thing first, the butuni amal access to A-list artists. Kan kunyela aborla featuring. The tunu abo kota hankale zantan yila tumama polo.
Okay.
Sometimes on to kuyela yetu ashelwa kanyela yetu anti en cheka hiti. Tanka en dumba ka hiti, but not necessarily a featuring. That is one. But di kunyela anyela banga kako bonde chinchina among A-list artists kinu featuring. Yeah, because yeah, sometimes exactly because sometimes yeah, don't come and do feel up no anyela. Sometimes I will take our time. Simisibo no organic growth. I'm take our time because zogi because nisanguna mashi shagbam ntunan cham ntunan pilgu. Amanyen bonde kama aku bunko dua zongo ni aka yengura. Ayebo, I don't want the nyela pela na pongma. Definitely moving forward, you have a challenge. So assuming somebody like Fancy Gadam, or upon be build career from the scratch. Karapunchan, let's assume offer son Daniel total cheat. Uchan from nowhere to total cheat, almost support there. Moving forward, it's been a very big challenge for him. But because he's done a lot of songs in the past now, Hyper from demo days as a dancer to
it will be very difficult for people to forget you.
Yeah. Yes. So open gather some level of following. Yeah. No matter how small they will be, open gather some level of following. Understand yabo? Kashabni pun to yila without lab big featuring magwa. So this lab big featuring magara is gonna be a plus to you because already bangumda yila, but they know what you are capable of doing. Agbaya. But you need to move from scratch to big or A-list artists. Kabloyi. I don't know if you don't take your time. It will be very difficult for you to maintain that particular fame, build that particular exposure.
And there's one thing, the piano phone. They will guarantee now for you A-list artists.
No.
Okay.
No, the can't
following man. You don't call no bang sadek side on opinion.
Yeah.
So do me fast gadam nang like.
No. They don't like any from Banyale. They don't guarantee.
Yeah.
Definitely share.
I'm telling you. I like to share a post. Because that's how I can do it.
Okay.
It's possible.
Look.
Then I'm a man following. I share.
No.
I'm back in Urushama. Niru to nyale amakam zakarne
okay karbo drive attention
any attention
okay
hitum ngunia an yila de hitum chakati yata yamale now pir hitso
okay
de para ula ka yana like homework manguna anto ku nang ven yanga maso ku biane ka ku mo yila ka yila ma kama ku filga de yilo yil vielle be ya
vielle barbe hiti
karbe hiti
of course yeah
ababo mostly the la form sabamane
yeah
karira because mostly ayen sabiyila tumni anya bokanjir ma bora
we shadna trendra
zdisa ko
yeah
okay
bum bor shelma de bon na yen nyi mila yila garso kam sabli ka mo na izli de ku vielle kama bisha kam too much
yeah
de ka use
nga bad yeah
bisha kam too much nga bad so yila ba jenara mila too much amila too much ayila be nyasa
because I'm going to shaka ko bedede I'm going to shaka ko bedede I don't
I go na na go perfect
yeah it means
I'm ko feel la anyhow ila wa so shaka pa anyhow
that is it you shaka bien kama putu keke bisha ko babia
yeah freestyle last but it became a hit
karahiti
understand yabo
but type of music
one corner
amaka tam kam mi ko non de lo man to yene ko ade stombo kare po ko non kar ben
pa won kare
amo yile kam de mal understand
okay
aba so de guarantee na amfi superstar hit
ay tin chenti jima shamma
no cheka na fara last because bro ito ama mfile pam de butu wara nya de gro kan yin ko nyam ya bona afiti superstar o zama ta zal mani
yeah
kan malage kanu wala zan mani
maintain no
thank you de cheka nyir pam ya ne fas gara na fiti so na de la ma yul piro
yeah
buto ya pam
okay
nto wu mi ka kan yir me
definitely
ye to ashel bian mi ya zo kan bona kla yil
tete na jang budget mamba
be yara agba ye to nga be yara agba okay rumo sunguna ungunda but sankon to kan
okay
agba ya bo muna yi yila min ka da wala fas gara ngum fuma la fulo agba ya bo so yi yila ka biyar fune be ayila nyel kan feature ka yila ma hiti tuma ma pakpal la nyen zugo
na maintain le pam
na maintain le
yeah
abu to maintain le ya anya ka bande ponje fas gara ka ta no oy zo ya kun zo ma yuli ya kama tuma mbala na wu yuko nyale
okay
ngoza na ko bon ni jonga ami ngata ka mango ngba sa ska mbanye yila kar hit gar to ta chi
yeah
na ba nyale
yeah
di palam bela sabra to ta chi da sa ko da bo midin no sham sa man kun muro bo mi ci studio ka renye ka de gula o
okay
nang mala ka sento chorus mo first verse
yeah
ko no of rap nang na ka na pa la ntno second verse ka mix gila ma na on pire hit song
okay
I'm telling you halin to fichi P square ka gila ma ba hit
yeah
muna za mi ka de gula kama patorankin fa se gara ma patorankin gila ma nira bon der chanson de wo chang la o
okay
yila ma pa to touch it kati yan compare following patron ki men sa ko da mo frame
yeah definitely
aba abo ha so la ngele ma de guarantee na fichi superstar ai hit me
okay
ko sum la grace kama bro no fuku yana na so sum
ni mohamed mapam kama ne yar mati ji ma chala dubai one aspect kat ku yuno tilambo na tinya if fansiga malla shu amiri kuto ngwana tribu zo kat nan lala kaniro mali laana ka njol ma yo ka first artist on when you not perform mali lanye fansiga dam dezo ya pam ka sharp song if ne bora na song ma chaya man yoma jana ka gba kana in ya gbalan mami gbanda nye mun na yuna manager amira bato song ma do min da bato yo azo mami even though azan shabi ya yen kana revela mi akul na bora gbalan ba charge ma bete song batab ni mane ay na event ba charge ma bete to song batab
ya mon yelbo nguna
mbo na chang to ni bela ka
de bi subsente zan yongo vibe ma ansele to ku yel tab ya mangale
okay
ngon comme ça yen non show car ñu commercial show ñel every artist we be pour
okay
aba rutum no yo
rutum bobo chateau be rutum no yo
no rutum no yo
okay
ala ka ndima
yeah
lan ko sun labo ayen be show pour ala ka ndima o yela on budget ani to yo
fine
broka yo akuto yo ka ya nkuto yo rutum ni ne understand between mina for kana sanga nan show ma
ka tab song man te bora ka ba tab song ma ba
ladan kane
okay ka tab song ma za nyala understand za nyala yo ma
ayer like this substance ne ko nyesha ka
za nyala yo batam bala ma
okay fine bata agba o anto borma be no let's say manuto bora ka to nye swale nka to song ma ka inte bora ka non bisi
definitely ma mi
ko program man da yi get it
yeah
okay agba so it is good kar ku ala kan indiga bi ala kan indima ka tu yorta kan nan la un pulun man sa ni tu yorta da fiya
bro tom de pune
first thing first kanya show ma ben dire la be free
no commercial show kunya
commercial show come to the show you
album launch nyele kan nyam
understand ya but then again to agree to the fact that dans so yen kan tam la stage ma zo be sha bor stage ma gare stage ma de bor ba sham understand ya
bol wele yembala
no ka bol wele be sha bor la stage ma
stage ma bor ba sham at least tunung banye be sha
no look ana do na pa kuma be ana do dar kuma ana do dar kuma ya
okay
look fancy station
no yama ka yerba
kan dulu ka amila mila agba na papa she polo
mila kamala se bi na music awards in Nigeria
baby it awards ah ke no bona ka performance so
what song can you know oh fast no bona she
you understand so at that point so let's bring it down to the north here
okay
so lo shanga bene kanyi la artist ma ka jenshe bene ka len kama di nan kanye chance ntanga pa ko zo based on la big artist ma o ma usually ma ka zama to shebe kan tele homa dem di be internet zo kan en shable around the world ma inye chance ntanga la stage ma zo I don't want the thing by exposure
okay
in that instance you can't tell the big artist to pay you up and coming artists agba up to know you man because abore akpakun agare akpakun ade borasham
okay
agba ya so in that case I am belem with them agba ya wo you ko belem ya sometimes but I've seen up and coming artists ka you get figure kan to them
okay
oh don't know you ko you get figure kan to them understand ya bo that means that on a tumpa level share don't to ni o charge concert comme artiste ka dimo concert ne on a zo pani but then ditin ku badila wahala ma ha le katapa level shele bamyo o yila non popular so o ite pala level ma ditin ka baza buru acto leo ka wonda na zoro ka lero shama I been lero kama no o badi wahala o pe studio o ma video no ma o no interview o no tours o promoter bi yara internet so that's cost involved and by so doing o go come come following so because of that following sholo melma you have to compensate him financially so o to zo pala for instance somebody like Fadlan oranyela up and coming artist pompon mainstream artist you so island boy Fadlan a show ni shela dio la rafila because there's no stage in Tamale that Fadlan will need agba yabo Tamalongo there's no single stage in Tamalongo ka Fadlan yero kan wonu bora akpa kuma agba yabo sha akpa kuma boro so this thing ka akpa kuma bor bangama shela la rafila di it could be in a form of barter sonto yela ya okay anto yelo fancy to ye Fadlan ya mala concert stadium karbo na temle agba yabo ala ka ende ka Fadlan yelo oh okay tie non shem ya ngba mela yi shele kana bona pe yila mane so no jemta so ati na ka twen yila ngone katung ma video para zo
parce que adam do sa atele batama
no liquid
generally
yeah in general understand here because payment can be look payment is not just about money ka la rende payment on feature yo understand here so no jemta ka ba no ma featuring katung ma video because sonto no featuring ya ka contract na ka video ka contract na pon marvia only audio feature
so
after audio feature so this video ka obona mo la video so unless he pays understand here so it could be that form that okay so no jema ngota ka no video ka no audio understand here ka yina or ni jemta ngba show next month la show ma ite pa ka gba jemta ma but la batama it comes at a point where la bands ma ka that level can you almost the same
okay
agba but up to your B-list artist kabo na elite artist ki non bata donc to non unless maybe Larry exchange hands or maybe because of necessarily because as artists as they are donc you bands man some of them are friends some of them are friends understand ya go maybe fans gatherman Israhim no yila fans o no show fans gather to you come maybe on dey on understand ya go maybe like somebody like Jamal Bamani no show fans gather to you come show to la arkana because of their relationship so it comes so there's no cast in stone solution to this particular question be answer there can come like answer things and tell but it depends on the situation le shanga bene shila ka la arayo le shanga bene shila ki itata bunyara en le shanga ku bir nguna shila o jemta free abasa hanta pana ko ogba jemta free understand because is anyala elite artist I mean ka tele to do one be dagbango de mala jemta man kan ba jemta an gasgari yoma understand ya go
karta ya go to ka karta la ho
yeah
fila ke kwenzi ina
no mala show kama na my phone la kama show ka kole Fadlan mala show sports stadium
karabon na bira
mbona za yul parpuna are you okay
kabor answer la instantly man understand ya
are you okay
ka gore no nyanya
ko yes
na ko ya flyer to
agba bo be ko yele ya o no call back agba o no call back ko njimi ko to call back o mbian zang mana be dun da ma ngata mala show so nkuto bian simple la ka tuno tabi yongo ma tabi charger taba so
kara mine retu shamba
do tuno charge bibu charger understand ya don't forget that the situation is a peculiar situation understand ya bo dem biro konko kace loshanga because loshanga ben baya look ayen zang so non show poni ayen wela bangma ya katon yo o même dans sa chaben kana stage ma like o props understand ya bo kapo hotel room to into dress no ko ton wa bantri chan onyen before ka kana to jama it happens elsewhere
I know
ayen zang kana yo I remember kama so I sure I can't remember which artist kara campaign which particular organizer kara campaign artist ma hotel ngone pula nyang hotel understand ya bo so that is how it's supposed to be done because upon at the bang a peace of mind Uto meso do kacha tuko ntemo
Mr. Ibu
nda bera
ra company man
exactly abona to peace of mind ko to male so do kakata dem jemata avenga but then nanka ayolo kama okay male show karabon zan do ban to sa I don't want he will not go to rehearse because there's no money involved and because on can rehearse with the band man because here we don't play with the band that's sometimes
you in Europe
and rehearse with the band you have to give them TNT these are Aram balana stand yabo so den chan ka oboko ngata fiaf su mata ka ngala kacha
so bunto ma show kana shi pale zon draft
na to draft captain do atampa ma o ko waka na to taliga kaka so I don't know the you sula show ma you see that the quality that you want your show to have ma be mal because ayula la hale kati affect quality ma so for me ndo zasa katero zo pa sa shele kama ngombono borgo bongo ko yo kamboga borgo ko yo
ba manguna mostly
tena pala
mini nya kama de shepuron no de show ma like ni zang shabu no show up ma ka ba yamba kama like say ni no show Accra I'll make sure can that flight tickets in and out into artisan ma kataba hotel
kata shamba slare
ai inja na ba saat flight
mendos nam da ya na bus kara
la time ma inja na da na ba saat
o ba on na
ne ma flight taba
so
comme da use la bus de pela o konko da use bus
ka mina management en flight cha
man konko da en flight cha management barake la lu
okay
agba ka ba yele cha on peut y aller ni cha agba o ma pour mi
okay
te pas zo ya to zo pa cha ma on ko to la zang na artist nang le bus pour ni chela Ankara so ne le me show
but it's fun I put some private bus cause I have
no e dinga la gba bier pour ni it's normal
ma to ba
like insultive
ke bo bendira nang just
ka have
fun
agba but no la mala like 4 years ago quand on 5 years ago 2016 quand dans so comme ça non lourd pour nous ata za chang ni sa maman ba ouais 4 millions
nandos ni
ya 2 millions to 5 millions quand that time
no even some few years back like 7 or 8 years back Sako de like bas kana tamba several times
intano
show
agba no fila 4 millions kana 5 millions ati sinima la
interview mbala yimni yala
no mbona ba asheda ka yala wa asheda which are nearly clear agba so this time around nile no show no make sure can bo flight ticket to Zaza in and out.
I'm not comfortable.
No hotel. And after show man, can talk to Algre.
Yeah.
Aba so no ko imagine no ko come za to di loro park kama 3,000 be 4,000 no so company.
Wow.
Artist ni bala kan da shi chang buku box arena. Aba yes because nim ka de wula
azopa
because zo me.
Yeah.
Kama so ne treat wala mbe feel okay.
Exactly.
So that was the reason why Niraj ba chang ma flight ticket be hotel after show man har be sha bien ba Branya lagar on stage to the extent kan terma lagar makam ngir saya.
Ko brapun gala stage.
Funya lagri. Yeah. Kama wishal. Nira san lagar matru ko ora ngir saya. No ngir lagri pam. Mais no dima. Ntula tap ma za so agba dima.
Wow.
Agba kan san to. Ko Philip kan no to ko mention wan bol.
Ayala minute na zoro min tinde yara shoes ma yato ariya tabron song na taba ngwana because we are still growing akpa ma bondela ka tenzo pa.
The kadafsele. Antonio Zuma beka yebya understand like fans na 4 years ago ora chim ka okibas kana Accra tija sashe wodi nyala liple understand yabo Sako de other big artists in Accra but I can na young astronomer ben kira STC ki to ba so ki de basto kaso kana zungo hotel understand yabo but bozoya
industry man
so mpo bang mazoya you can't tell Sako that amala show tamela kabo no pe STC kana oko sakana understand yabo so then dwella kama bangman zo pasham denen wo treatment bien zanta baza
Okay.
but for now tin just station tin limited to only dagbango ntia tin bon kama so konza yuar so kam kazan so kon hanon tuma na dan wa da nan Europa
mala shalan zan pa
Da
la
nan Europa,
ka tla
yeah.
en switch chan zamana nan wala mi batulu en fibo mane wanda era nan la yida
yeah
ka feature
en wumle
Memuna Tulade
na Abu Sadiq.
Abu Sadiq yeah
nice song ni
Very beautiful song.
pa wedding song beautiful
Yeah.
song ka video ma shooting time page and the tune obola artaba ka wazanda ni suma one mbalama if possible maybe ka bo bin shad number thank you maybe transport bien kana men bien labe location ma me
Yeah.
o ka management mpon
okay
ma mina awum yila ma trust me I feel lam ila jelle nyel
yeah mumble
but
yeah
if ankuto nang tin borsha ma with getting us costume ma me
Yeah.
giving us something for transport mine ngoma yemete versus ila ma pune then oka option la ko
no
ila versus ma kama kana vika zan ka kunye part like shaba amriya gathering mine
Yeah.
yes in video ma alane kana wa mama part shanga sen shanga pa ka release video ma la without Abu Sadiq without Memuna Tulade imi yela ne to charge mtaba ko
Yeah.
kala ya ila ma changla waste ma buka mana yel zan ka
liner position tool ma
din dia hit sham sorry double chang waste but then the
Yeah.
tune the chang with Abu Sadiq tone ma in video ma be
Yeah.
Memuna Tulade part ma lovely de
so
ya
bra baga ala kalu kamila yila ma audio ma
audio
ka Memuna Tulade ko nungo part ka Abu Sadiq nungo part understand ya bo ka yila ma yina
then didn't nara maybe tin bela you just have
yeah this
Just
nan ka
audio ma.
din yala tool ma budala kalu mala nyame ya ti record la audio ka record video
Okay.
understand ya bo dimi za nyala yuele
Yuele.
dunguna tinto ye ka ba betray boy ma understand ya bo but din yala tool ma ba yelo ya te record audio ma ta free but dit nyala bottom na za nung video pon dunguna
Am
sha bo me
costume
sha
lare.
tele
Okay.
understand ya then the male bukata ni la sama ba ka 1 naira ko go ban o non sham ya mitila commitment ma ka bola la arma taba ka
Okay.
yina tama video ma agba ya go bin sha kam yala twas zale den yala ba twas da da nyem kama oh okay so tum pass ta shelmo tunan bin sha kam ta free both audio mo video ma da ne ya free zanta ka o malani ya kana ha le kiti tunzana kama tukula nuntin ya then that would be wrong on their part
Okay.
but din yala maybe agreement hanya ya tunan audio ma ta free ba video ma yomti don wa dara tunu 1 naira yoba din yala lanye agreement ka bono video ma then me I don't think we should fault Abu Sadiq be Memuna Tulade don't know no shamba because I don't want the because I nyala bansi and they have costs, they have bills to pay
okay
agbayabo but my back up they have bills to pay so be no so kwanza video still free because I don't want the yina video you have to wear something kali ansan liga yinga ma video yong ben yela etwa but na pa Facebook kan zanga katwa that means that she agba tanya ma video ma poni so la ban so ngi zanga video ma pona she la o so ngane costume ma be ota lare ka da costume
ya mi kane o ka management o ka
Ngwa ya aye twa ya DJ Nash.
Yeah.
Anya draba subsune wana ma video.
okay
Didn't money.
yeah
Man be ma video.
ya kane
No, but-
ila mami jela
so
video
ya
ni
ka-
bene
no,
then changa
I'm bad.
bene
no matter mal banse even from America ba ka kono collaboration ka video ma ka other artists ko kara pone even Elise artists from US but my lot of examples
No, on ya
o verse kada
no
puno
be la verse
be yela verse ma from ngombongo Abu Sadiq verse ka video ma ne
So la ta man pada nya beat.
no ma audio ma bere
audio ma bene
But video ma.
ka video ma verse nam kane 1 hour konko part
so mun lay no yin verse video ma
I believe
no
kane-
boko sa yella
no but yela
no
mbe be video ma ne
So,
yela ma
video,
video yela
what
ma
would
video mer kan ko bien la
bunto yen ne be nung video ma but audio ma bunto yen kama ye be yen be voices from audio ma I'm not
Okay.
too sure Abu so no mi ma Abu Sadiq so no mi ma o ko sa nung la
Okay.
Because la video wa didn't you like didn't you be you la.
Yeah.
The best no ma video.
no tunu male di
Agba
nya sim
abo.
no yen be voices from video
From-
ma
ah, ka-
no then there's no drop
The
video
two no male. Agba abo. But the two to understand me shama mi banguna didn't come in kurawa.
yeah
Agba abo.
bamboo two costume
No, they need the money.
oh okay
They need the money, bro. Agba abo go bar la ma pam. So the business ni bun 1 naira the metal so.
yeah
Agba abo. 1 naira there is no pass solo. Ka twa la ma no. For kana ma.
ya kane sami jana banga nyelo
I know.
idea ma audio ma
My brother.
pinina so ko mela de tetu kama fancy gadam che capture video song tele ka din ma chan off
no
because on promote no you understand
because dan supo nyu when kama charge video on amount
what time wedding being no wedding they will do it very great.
I know
wedding the milan no lala and so kambal born come wedding ma she an bo hagada mo yana jarbe ni mane
so season ma ko
the more delay ra
no tinna ko jongu na
wedding da nyele
ni man ka triya ka trila
ay so delay yayi project man tam chale on tendir da fan man diro pun dir da fan man be different way
kabala yeah wedding anthems ko men
Brother, problem. No,
best advice.
We have the video here, but without
best advice. Dratuni oche video.
Dratuni ma ya
project match with.
Because Belemba. I'm sure on that Belemba.
I don't think.
No, after that you don't think you can have so no.
Because trust me, no matter how can my video ma without the voices ma
because I wouldn't like audio ka
voice ma unless maybe alternatively other barrier Oranto no yile ma remix
confirmation but Abu Sadek yele no yema o verse if on kuto finance ko pa video man
no yema
Abu Sadek yele
the message come mal phone man
okay alternatively
yeah Abu kusa yele
no problem
I will believe that no take Abu confirm but no surprise I am bari message phone Abu Sadek yele Abu Sadek yele
Abu kusa
because open new system man pa kami wala shelin be ila sura pa
understand yele ni tiyom tawa
yeah tiyom
tawa
project so me yele treatment me master underground kan ko say tiyom
I want to believe ya
hard work one ara nang la hard
no I want to believe me bin sha nan ya ncheka abuye ni lab yeah
maybe to kare one that this is fair to me
exactly from the Antonia maybe approach man da approach man da chanve
policeman
yeah
o mi yile tapa no
o yele kama
ayula da go
go pa go group bamba aba ko wa da yo
ayula da go pon sa 9:30 balama te sama changa vin yelanga to ko shele last topic mapa ka ko vage which the yelene according to the video I wish to me video maka katina page mane yongo jamana yelne important pa yela mana pa shama an mi yila ka gon tournero da pune so le bien na baga changna yela te fiaba
no chara
tatina video bare be tin mi la ka
chara tu fiar bare chara
tu shambala ma Sami way of Ilam Balawa, you know. You want to mention hostel of the Quara. Last week, but I have a commission artist. I am the last type of film.
It's not commission.
Commission.
Oh, Bamboo.
And no, brothers confirmed no commission. Any song I am can you to dwell.
Where dwell?
So come to you.
Where
So come to dwell.
Yeah,
so don't baga fiawa.
So you are not ready. So you will live.
Fiawa be baranzo.
What is that baranzo?
I believe Barazim come here.
Oh, chief, America.
So that's me on the theater. Can I call bagage?
Dambia nyame nkam ye yina de tu no nan hankale ye to anwo ne dan papai be de ne ka tablen sale ngulen yille kab yille ka nyela o yille turso anto yille turso ka de pay to se ka nyela hankale nyele ame yille kanye nyun ku target la so biya kuma video turso la ban ma tablen dil ha ka yine ko gba dagbanza ku ma video kanye aturla so nta de nyela tale tum bola nan tu fiba kace ka ban ne ban sha nan ma ba su yatan bana ke biyan ma so da nan tan yasim da mutum bola ba kana ta bolwo to min zan sheto ba dele ka ta warne zon kuma chana ka ta kamin walo wes ka banya mabbe kama ban banya mabbe to me be difila to we kama otu zo
no le
Sacha ya.
Ayo video ba, bitini la bia.
Ataka bi wolo we sa bi to abada entrega oye to abada ale me yila karnya la ko target la so. Mera kay ne be mbola so nzanga dat fiaba. Do kunya sheza hambala ma. Akpa ma fiaba ma to fiaba.
Oh no, bomba face.
Okay.
This is no fiaba ba.
Ma akamera batson.
I want nerve. Like indirect way we follow me.
Ayi. Teyewa.
De Garcia.
Teyewa.
Line ma tinchana.
Ku teyewa ka te ban ne yira.
Ku san so le kam kon kon jiji ma ne. Ma din te line ma pam. Ku tinchana jima be te bala line shanga. Brian te le puna ko ma de tunu.
No fiaba bo.
Wow. This is double T type of film akabiyala.
Okay.
So bu boy so yiri ku yarme.
Ma mina za ha mini double T type of film number. O même ka acquisition analyze kamin ngoma fancy gadam line bon. Makasio line bon.
Yeah.
Bauli line bon.
You see?
Mbala.
So anyala type of film na ya. la indirect beefing ma nguna muta la beefing ma ka sexual refer to ma understand ya bo because how la bands ma shaben being beefing to the extent that untono ka sachi wun ba ka tana beef song bala agba ya but on be within industry ma nguna on kum la line ma o mi ka ma ya ka zaka ba ngahar ngo be zon ka ba turungo so for me ben yene be fiala ni beef song ya I to gba so ma untuo yila puni be ka gba wo ba be ka api onin sesele puntu ma ye to achele ononda ka solo ni ka yin la solo ni be ka api so ni sesele puni yila ma ne dunguna non bo so yete fiaba as wera fiaba ma de changa be de
no ne balance
yeah for me well na meso ni otobole sonate fiabo especially when bio solo se puni understand ya bo otobole ante sasa and sasa mi to nyela fiabo but manan you pam de nan to nyela maybe benzanga jeli ka yeli to ka sasa agba ya bo because the mala fiamo nguna the mala maybe drebe champion
ni kurgo ka men to fiam ni kurgo ba
no drebe champion ka bon ko yela tin sasa because sasa ma nyela
several ways to ka fiamo ma passa
to ka fiamo ma passa no be ka ya makalan pango for instance bukata bol wal ulama ataka jeli ka sasa ban ka ballan mela yila ma so bi sasa kalan centran la pahlunguna dunga sheka boso ntega platilo zo nshiwa venga understand yabo that is one angle
okay
but tinja sashango shaban tulon kwale kama human right angle human right agba yabo unto jena kama so non dembi debo jimni afiamo na zo chanko tuni agba yabo be maybe anto fiafso angle shekan kwama ho anto fiafso uzanga chanko tuni ka kotu bola ko tuni tiyena kama wula ka afiamo zongo because Ghana laws jimne kama so yitum dem berge shela ko tunu be police station in mala la case ma kan ma o tib dara woni shim zanto wara o impela jar yel ma bakoy be chira be yun agbaya wo so these are all possible angles to that particular issue ma so mané yu sham yala de tun to pang to pa zuuna kama la yilana ma de katan fane understand yabo de katan bukata shele so de che kata yini yisha de en che ka biago kar chamto no yisha de en che ka biago kar lam nyanga because I don't day
ni ka yana ka fano
like wol ulanga bi shema type of ilana ma denu wara kan fana understand yabo but first gadam type of beef ma nguna we can allow it to go because the chamka industry
no mama beef ra
no beef ra wala
man yila kam at feel beef nyen nyer la yamangle
yamanka ye okay
yila kam at so shema to ko yer ka de bula like the man beef la so
ayar
yamangle
no ayar yu arab jeba
ngoya ne be shama beef ma kan kana tir retaliate mbe beef ba nyer bala be chana nan kap kuto nan de yila kam la kan nan
okay so de pasa aba volume beef
no thank you la beef ma ya de be turso
the beef ka
the praises
yeah exactly so that kind of beef in my fancy gadan but type man it makes the industry so interesting
understand man praise la man ka ko kan ka teni lolu kam sa fancy gadan ka shel bet ba ne so ka so kan bolma de be ngar so de yar la bi chan nan ka kuto nan le den ci ka dol ma hasada la ka ba nan ngi kam la ngi
okay
I
mean the
ka pa tu la praises ababo no
ko cha yel gospel song bala beef bala
no no gospel
because am sama no yila ya
to ko tie ma yilde ni ka ko fil ka de yilo ngalla kan sa so na
no
ama en bandi ba ka yila kan explain ta yila kam de nyala praises
okay bon zorgo nyala bon zorgo
ni to da den to la ben dirgu praises la mama o kar pa la ben zurugu kayina mamma ben zurugu
mo son zubne ne bon te yila angal ba sha akpa ma nan tin bari chara ba ñu yila wani ya to ayya
jawana bra
ngoya
ba na jamana kan wanda ya fiye ba ne zaman Canada yelen te fiye ba
ci bu bla la yebo na te fiye ya
no ben sasa
akpa ma de tunu like be chara ñu
the tunu rapation last week ngoma ya de tunu tunu yila kan yede chemka tembe biako shelma kar nyasa understand yabo because that's the sole purpose of an artist to entertain the people and nothing else understand yabo ka cheka so mi also sam so wuma yila ko so palage understand yabo be kama onanga mudi ka wuma yila ko mood ma kar tai but it nya nyera yila ka so sam ko wuma yila ko so ton chepai the sahabno yila achieve a purpose as an artist understand yabo so the tuni anye banga kamili kama it will get to a point that kakuto la yila but yishan anda yilma zaha akuto delete agbayago so tuna bora ma at every point that you want to release a song will you be happy that in 10 years time be in 50 years time
na beje ka tin mera bayila mo
I tele zapchele lana ka mera yilema anan happy with that particular song ma den yela so be mpalre be ko last time anan yeltim don wala yila rutuna bale understand ya but I am bayila kan yela in 10 years time be in 50 years time amen ayansin tejia ka mera yilema ka laka pa hanwa don wala rutuna bala yila understand ya so for me music is supposed to go through a lot of generations. Yeah. Understand about that makes you a legend.
Yes, it's true. Come on, you le, I'm Adam.
Yeah.
I'm Adam. Pumpo kampa undo yila nimsha kapa bang be show
no, definitely. Ako mbla iren sahaka na kazana tele
because last time
I met picture matre.
Come on, I'm Adam ro yisha ma. Ola yila ko ko so man ko yila ne yilta ma.
Okay.
Because mbla mi ne yile toshel.
Yeah.
Masoro yalla be shaka.
Yeah. Okay. So those kind of yila you see in 10 years time, 100 years time, but he was so proud of that particular production, man. But I think make a learn type of songs, man. Even in 1 week time, but I want to believe even what Ulana or no team come out yila, understandable. There's no single artist we make like dirty beef, man. Karapa bakwe ko team. Definitely I will let him because when come here and galamami. Understandable. Do you know me yila ya kasonya ke o ndu ayila mo ache kan so palagapam. In kujata nyela yila man so palagram. Understandable. Even if you're not making money from the music, but
making people happy.
Endorsement from the general public, but that one too is some kind of happiness from you as an artist. So for me, the tune to bounce ma bang na kama ban mer project shangama ka zungo niruma ka metra. Look, the bam ya na yila gornyande dilana. Anto be yon kanu yila. Kanya la yila ma. Den changa tang shele kama na jemin la country da benba so den ka yila ma kara gonchan lese francophone country
ko bo gonni
kapta bo yila ngoda benne katanya la somma ka tura
abaya kan wana konko world like ban kunye larve yala nga sheta wala nim taw ban merlo ka turbo manama nirbo manama
you see so come many onon
come make a big time actually like la type of film
no tenje gana mo kam yila hiti kaso mako tuka hitima be kaniro ma to hit ila hitima
but Facebook girl love song nice one beautiful karavia ko tan la ma pa shata wala tinto kalle and trust me tibu zo to kan bola en war kunya amako like so mata
la ila na ma
ko hiti
dem to be shout
no but trust me bala following bala trends on social
media total attention
total attention
attention man bala that's what you need how many attention how do
I don't know they as a musician total attention but I don't know the public perception about you as an artist man they shame me
I mean you following my page
because never so ya so ko ben ya kanyera o jeshata wale because oramira yira to kaki ka bole o patale ben yara understand because of last single thing man no because of last single insult man no because of last single insult man there's no day kala particular artist ma kashata ko mbe yila ya o so lang bago yila ngon ko cancel ma from live understand ya bo Anthony Mele kanye fans kanye kashaba cha yila wumbo trust me because of example wala ulan yila ma son to ko dilito yila from phones mala banonda you can play particular song kasako wumla yila ma ka kan to dilita yila nan zaha phone wala ngeno wuma yila ya for instance Michael Essien last week ma Michael Essien jana sama kama no tuni bambon no be botta bambon no borta be Nirvana
1.7 million
no chawa ka botta Nirvana be kawla o yellow bana ora mala 1.something million followers
1.7 kam ko drop 700k
on dira fili wana ya
1 million followers
almost 1 million ka follow on social media understand ya bo so anto ko no be shout fine shaban to ka follow you because of labana but if you want to compare anye kama ban yiyo camp ma because garban kana so why do you do that understand ya bo
ngoya there's one chambo kana there's one thing ya anye tin yini yila ma to bora so kaw
yeah
agbabo
za yo mi boku bien me
masa yo ma bien me
ka bono go bora
ka bono go bora ba ali bia ko be ni ba la ni ba
exactly
na ni problem babu zoy
be bien
be bien ba babu zo be ni ba la ni ba
kama yo ba ngir far be ni ba la ngir far
amina fraud be bien amina fraud be bien
fraud
like sakawa
be bien
yeah
the type of sakawa ma ka muslim ngi digo la amina
no do bien
amina ila sakawa no
Vumo yila.
Kati gute no share kati gugula na yila ma. And like they accepted it too. But this is our project. So wait. Last time abra see my brother, abra ku suwa bala ara.
Yela ka because je tinyara teni. Ada. Thank you. Mu fast kana mi yila ti.
Banum nya fans ma.
Yila pu wula mbo esa ko.
Aba bole.
Ka wula.
Am la biso banu kabra karla ko gura.
Wi on la fas ga me dans pa nu sa la diahlo. Wu mu sha. Yila ya. Be kartum la zo
te no shele.
Biri danga yali mbeye tin no shele. Maintenant tum sandani.
Ka kula pa
abo hanka kala boara.
Tentore ferrare ma ve tentore bukati ma. Yena ma. La time ma.
Yebi na yeba benu bisha wala tum sandani. Wu mo umbe na disrespect ba. Aba. Aba.
No, anya ya.
Aba. Wonum za so manda mi ya zaka salva. Mi ini mo hozo.
Yeah. But anle yila ya. Sometimes ben sha perga yila na understand ya bon. So situation shiren to kana. Kak perga banga. Ko yili shela.
Ina ka yel mo.
Yeah.
Ara mi bisha no go yir turu. Manda kum. Ayo kum. Kum yili ka da yili ba because ya ndama la show. Kala nir ngoma banenge target group. La youth ma. Ndama la show ka show ata pal 2 weeks. Ka ba par. Ka show ba. Ka karbala.
Mu ka ban ka karbala.
Ye ka ba no. Benye chan de pala sa cause ka karbala. Brano de la vidéo. Ka tur ta ka yara nyangu yam boy. Iri ka so yi 1 billion la time ma o. Ka so yi 1 billion ka so yi 2 billion na. Ka no mal goro omro.
Odi ya leza.
Thank you la me yare. Agba ka njir ma su yi ka bra. Ba ma. Bra bona ba ka ba guwi. Ka to nge sole ya ngba shawa. Ba mi ndinye ben ka tap son show ma. Ka karbala ma. Ka ya o. Ndi bu ngwa ya. Mun karbala ngwa wula ka show ya no.
Sara bana mi la ka labna.
Ka sur lamna.
O sur lamna. Ai sara yo sa de yila ma.
Sorry. Ka sur de yila ma ya. Ka sur lamna. Aba o. Halba kama Rafik grandpapa. Ora mala artist na manager. Ora mala artist na pa de bata. Ka issue ma no. Ka so man ku to nu o yi mala. Kan te yila ko no ne fa sigara ne dunia za. Aba so they supported me and big up to Banda tap song wala time masa.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
The to qualify to Jima.
Okay, so finally and nta nko yesha mnyala. Anye up and coming artist. Be ko anya la bam pale. Le tuni amagama ka boy be ka bam from Bampombe industry ma understand ya bo. Mukare bonne aroshi chante de into the feature. Because I don't want the unroshi in your fame. I am maintaining fame, I didn't problem. Okay. That is why I shall probably come a fancy fish underground artist because bravo take with time, yeah, zoo industry mapone, understand ya. But I take our time, I'm fancy. Okay, so yila wula kaba harmonizer yila, wula kaba mbakra yila, wula kaba kanata nondo chongo, wula kaba saro chorus, understand ya bo. So I'm born loving yerma talented nine. Even with that fancy featuring,
can I know on your own? Yes. Can you start that? Man feature plus in yellow. You know come la ko fa.
Understand ya bo.
Example yellow wisha. Agba
yeah.
Gabu no ko liri ni ka wa de wula be ya ni fast gara na feature so o wula mpi. Kara mo wisha na yina halo so wisha na bre. O re ndere mo.
Yeah. Because rapum bo ha me hale.
Kara sa ko de ko na feature kun yule.
Yeah.
This way pump.
Exactly.
Because
Rapun take la time. Until channel for that big feature man. Understand?
So
no. You see, problem ya. I be mara manka bom. Venga kana channel for that big feature man. I don't know if you don't take your time. La yila ma den yim na kaviela. But people play the part of the A-list artist. Di para san la ka skip it.
Okay.
Because I know mention Venga. The song will be nice or because of la A-list artist for feature man. And so being mere points or being mere hali, didn't ka Elis ma ko sama kar 9 ka won male being mere san magba. So the two the bands rush chant born no feature with big artists. That's one advice. Secondly, dinyala amun so mala ale kaule. Tinji sashe wo chere ka bands ma ka ta pili contract be documentation.
Okay.
Agbayabo. Dinyala Abu Sadek men me wat ladi ne 1 naira brama la contract. Tuzo ka tono la oral contract, be verbal contract.
Contract last la are to anyele, la are mikane.
No. No, maran tonye contract into be.
It's not under any management currently.
Yeah.
Things are hard.
Adimo I just say.
Contract ya. Hagba ko jin ka.
I'm sure.
Yeah, maybe.
Contract
ya. Am so no mala kawle. Kaya chekan start da la kawle ma so. Zongo don't keep boni service song now because in your verbal be oral contract ma ditene ka jane ka ben shatai ontolan lele kama nra pa ale kawle she no ontolan
ka ta ma ya apun be yorma in song aba yila ma video ma ba bom chat makang ma video
akuto to but tin dir fila shekengo abu serek onang la okonang la dinya brama la written contract pour ko en contract katiela tinda ba ale kawlo na nyaya o mala audio ma free kama video free ni contract ma but in just session abu en yellow part ka one naira ya ko ko in favor ma understand ya because there's no contract so no ko pense semnyela let's begin to put down our agreement on paper so that ditinin ka yeto ayisi tunto meti yen follow on mashaya nzan solve la problem if not tunko ngbar ta ale kawle kanyen welma de gbachem ka zo sema dina tunu kana fasha ma krato kanala hagba muso no video ba de tunu email contract understand ya bo because video ma amuso to ma video ya ko yela ya la video ma because product placement nzan on depone understand ya bo it should be in the contract for instance France gadan sanenti ko ma Ever pure. Understand ya bo?
Kaya fitu ma video.
Kaya fitu video.
Kazam ko mana.
No, kala ba.
Ko yele na use ever pure, o ba malo product.
Apa ke sala.
No, video man ya.
Kazam Venana.
Kazam Venana because I think they la Venana sani. Fans gana when face of ever pure. So competing brands mbala. Understand ya? But because the nanki kala agreement ma. La ba ya la clauses ma za ibi 20 elite tawa.
Dem to ma problem.
Yeah, definitely.
Understand because anya face of a particular brand. Wow. Kapie video pone kar promoter another competing brand so some around the issues will come so lab me yarama za ditin caterpillar contracts ma sign na din chekala ni nese ma kar kana entija sasha we have showbiz lawyers understand ya bo I'm not too sure we have one here yes but Accra tinja we have about 2 or 3 showbiz lawyers let us begin to put our contracts together and to get new lawyer ota blank contract understand ya bo so that I'm first gadan by yila ka fix off ka filling in those things will not cause us much but the income ka future ka prevention be nkaro party
honorable akwalan paye to
so mangba no kwengere champion ka de wula feature ma wona refiala
collect
because on to feature
I found the video collect
ko kar ko tenu
yeah
agba wo because so to my talent kar borni onye shine kan je benyi obansema so ko ka ta feature ngo mel soloma agba wo kar to attention ko continue le la kar viala ama aka talent ka fitingu mal solo ka muno no yila kar hiti ka ko maintainable de sa nyim problem bela wo agba ko fira parce que man nu kar puni aka te poro son se ka muno no yila ka te yila ma kar fi ka fili ka hiti ka so yila ma mbo lagre nye lagre agba bo so pakpan la nyi ne no shamya on continue atuma be ya akutola no ya lambo face garabshi not necessarily can learn feature but not to guide her
beka sabila
ta hal anto ko bol ma mi mna no yila to pe mer relationship ngba kuto kan ngba na feature free cap de loro repa ni yana mbir yana bor loro ka su kam kan di loro
no la bor la re
no bor loro pam kap je kam bor loro man ala bor loro ka bor ka jema yam soir lo man bor la ko okay atu ku yakam so mata legru su ko la ndirma du ko on na ka ko sa
ngula
ka la ko sometimes
ne be ma do ko
amane yirang nirja ya guys so me kam la guy ma yu bisha boy some I mean GL or BL or
something oh nyir sha la oh boy la ma nda de guy la
arawde yeah
akiyana pam
de man nda yu ame
bo way bo ara yo
de man advert kan da
bu sha ko da adam na benda pam adam na benda
no chop the mic up e shoot ma kan zan advert
de ka wula aba mu de ga la aba wo
bata
ya nuk pa ka bata bara di la ka pure
no na performance ma wan na la
advert ma aba wo he
oh boy din ma ngona ma de ba ma song
that is it yila mara hit ya aba that is it ka ko mbede la
to en kalo sabar de
sara
jare shautre mbele chapolo ne en kala
no je ko abi ko yona be aba fasiga aba
guys to tablo yulo yu nyala som abbreviate
on nyala artist
vin ay bo DL na mi non la yila bo DL o yulo mbala DL ko no yila studio shell and you came in ka fili yila madam you jump on and something happened
no it's not
ya blanty ke store ma bien I wish
do ya pas so
now then tell the story ba so mal me ba am so okay
no how da tabia la ka yero ko
a propose na ba na kila guy ba yila pune o yila DL or something like that and o side and Karzan and show Bob Shata or you are before Karzan
no it's not true
na ka bana ma be yala
ngwa so ku yu ya shiru ba shiru ba
abila da go bumpo ne yila ne ko chela minta na hala sabane kurga pime last week madam ala 9:30 ka transport ma 9:40 I'll be very happy tinla nye dapse shelke kulan kata shelke very interactive kana bi yala na poka pa eve yala ngapa the chela so minta and ngojini ma ngotam si invite artist ko kata song she kunye folanga nye me uba video shanga de bo ne kama izan appreciate but ma shela man tatu yo sorry on kana wale sa program obo yo so ti yo ma to yati yo me shela ma empu ma kapa eve yala ngapa mi yo ma jisu ngela kanero bore what kind of programs can come to follow you I'm madam you want to cut them for channel channel within short period kawan dap sebe anya ka tawo ta ni mo pam so andang karat pian mo don so ngapam taw man ta sa apel ya zo kurlet mina pam ni ta ba sa yela mari be kum se ta ba don ka sa ma ta ka channel ni man ni to ka bazan ji shel ji la an ko to shel donc ni shel da hambala be nan balan fam pour ka pa ban ka ta so ji ma Mr Nash identify fan se gadam Tule temen kami do juma dans vidéo pas le tien tempo ka pour babe ya ke ka teze juma na on the side ale zumba dale 4 p.m. bala na lab repeat but on social media either Sadiq Cyber page with Sagana TV page YouTube anyway anya an ko search mota se poster mo caption with zungo date no so akuta ntsabu zungo date ma on no fasa anya program na la chance no kunye shele za hambala no poka pa fasa ga dan venya nga kom sen zang o video zan chapse temblan tabdamle na on sa saison de but yem pour kapa is Hassan W venya nga kom woni ni bo so produce show one last week mamunda la ni bo so on questions my topics my guest na mada onda arrange on poka pa venya nga kom hype media mbalama wonen su la site ma fo comme c'est ko ya kapa venya nga tin chapse she's on model. Cause her beauty is so natural. Nigga business photographer. Kang magaka post the Insta. Banda yenir kunan ma. Jamul mamang karagarba. Banda yenir kunan ma. Jamul mamang karagarba. Chai. Anando charmi. Chai. Chai designer. Chai. Ayelo original. Chai. So natural. Chai. I'm a last game. Chai. Nyala melody man. Blue beats. Give me the beat. Nyala melody man. Fasigadam bangsam nyala dengalang dam. Bangsam balachila. Musically nyala kila. Tactically salapila. Nyala samba maitia amakayila. Atayima lebene kabarle.